Over 430,000 Americans filed for bankruptcy last year, and most of them waited too long. What actually happens when you file? What do you keep? What do you lose? And is it as bad as everyone says? Let's get into it. The moment your petition hits the federal court system, the automatic stay kicks in. This will freeze wage garnishments, foreclosures, and lawsuits. Everything stops, legally and immediately. For most filers, it's the first financial relief they've felt in months. The bankruptcy notation, however, stays on your credit report for 10 years. Chapter 7 is the faster route. It wipes out unsecured debt, credit cards, medical bills, personal loans in about 4 months. The catch is a means test. If your income is above your state's median, you may not qualify. But over 70% of filers do. A trustee reviews your assets, but most Chapter 7 cases are no-asset cases, meaning you keep everything. Federal exemptions protect up to $63,150 in home equity for married couples filing jointly, $5,025 in a vehicle, and retirement accounts are fully shielded. The debt discharge comes around month 4. Chapter 13 works differently. Instead of eliminating debt, you restructure it into a 3 to 5 year repayment plan. You keep all your assets, but you're committed to that plan. If you miss payments, the case gets dismissed, and every creditor comes back at once. It's harder to complete, but it only stays on your credit report for 7 years, and it's the right move if you're trying to save a home from foreclosure or your income is too high for Chapter 7. The bankruptcy falls off your report entirely between years 7 and 10. Student loans, child support, alimony, most tax debts, and criminal fines. If your biggest debt is student loans, bankruptcy won't solve it. Also worth knowing, if you ran up credit cards or took cash advances right before filing, courts can treat that as fraud and exclude those debts from discharge. As for rebuilding, your score takes a hit at filing, but many people who are already months behind actually see improvement within 12 to 18 months. By year 2 or 3, secured credit becomes available. FHA mortgages open up around year 4 or 5. The biggest mistakes: waiting too long, transferring assets to family before filing. Courts look back 2 years and can reverse it. And filing Chapter 13 without an attorney. Bankruptcy is a legal tool, not a failure. Whether it's right for you depends on what you owe, what you own, and what you earn. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the bell so YouTube actually shows you my next video.